Welcome to the Iris Street Renovation Week 138. This week, my cousin gets married and I install some base cabinets. Let's do it. This week begins with some light rain and a delivery from Home Depot. All of my interior doors just arrived, so there's 10 of them. I'm gonna bring them inside and put them on location. Since my dad took his miter saw home the other week, it's time for me to set up mine. This was also the perfect excuse for me to clean my shop. After prepping the work surface, I installed a 2x4 I-beam underneath this makeshift table for added support. This makeshift table has evolved over time to become my main machine bench. Down the road, I'll build custom tables for each tool, but for what it is now, it works quite well. Saturday is a wedding day. My cousin Audrey is getting married to her fiance Brandon. They're both Morgan County kids, and the venue happens to be a couple miles up the road from my parents' house in Brush. Audrey and Brandon have been together for 6 years, and I couldn't be happier for him, even if Brandon is a Dodgers baseball fan. Congratulations, Audrey and Brandon. Willow insisted we check out the playground, so naturally, Lila, Brayden, my sister, and I all try it out too. The wedding venue is a renovated private school, and the banquet room is the old gym. I used to attend events here as a kid with my good friend Michael when it was still a school. It looks completely different now. It's amazing what a coat of paint, some lighting, and some new flooring will do to a place. Sunday is Father's Day, so I spend the day in Brush with my family, grilling some food and just taking a day off. On Monday, it's back to the grind. It's time to start installing the base cabinets in the kitchen. After checking the level of my floor, I turn to the toe kick of the kitchen sink cabinet. Anytime you have a cabinet that sits over a floor vent, you have to reroute that duct from underneath to the toe kick in the front of the cabinet so it can still provide heating and cooling to the room. My laser level is the perfect companion for making sure all the cabinets are at the same height. Something you don't see of cabinet installs is how much shimming goes underneath and behind the units to make them all level, especially in a house as old and crooked as mine. Before it gets dark, I head to Rocky Flats for another attempt of the photo of the year. There weren't any dramatic skies tonight, but the flowers were in full bloom, and during the golden hour, there were some beautiful shots. With playtime over, I work on installing some more base cabinets. The cabinet by the window is the sink cabinet with the toe kick vent you saw earlier. That's a wrap for week 138. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, remember that my Uncle Daniel is here for all your wedding planning needs.